Understanding how My Code Factory works.
My Code Factory helps you build your code infrastructure exactly the way you want so that you can focus on business logic.
My Code Factory works based on code models and data models.
My Code Factory does not enforce any specific technology, architecture, or design.
You are free to choose whatever you think is the best choice for you.
Unlike traditional application generators or code generators, which deal with fractions of code as templates, My Code Factory works with fully working code models.
It means there is no need to acquire any new skill to use My Code Factory.
Code model is fully working unit of code which can be a tiny application or a part of it.
Data model is typically table design in third normal form.
It is very important to have the good models in place as their quality gets replicated in application code base.
The main advantage here is that the tiny footprint of model offers an opportunity to produce large-scale application that is as perfect as your tiny model.
If you want to look at how the code is generated, take a look at video My Code Factory, Developer's Delight.
For a software architect's perspective, see My Code Factory for solution architects. Thanks for watching.